Hi, I'm Josh Allen from PSC Motorsports, and today we're going to be showing you how to bench test for play at your own shop. So, right here is we have a perfect gearbox straight off the shelf. We're going to show you how to test for play. So your first thing, you're going to make sure that red line is lined up, right? That makes your input shaft right on center. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your trusty pair of vice grips, gently get it on the input shaft, make sure it's firm but not scratching or damaging the threads. And what you're going to do, you're going to start going one direction, then you're going to come back and go the other way. And you notice right when you get center, you feel it getting tight right there. And so what you're feeling right there, you're feeling these teeth on the piston. So when you're feeling it getting tight, it's because it's got contact right here in the middle. It loosens up when it starts going that way. And so when the piston travels, that's what turns your sector shaft, what turns your pitman arm, what turns your tires. So you're going, after you find center, you're going to go back and forth. All right? And you're going to jiggle a little bit. You're just trying to make sure you don't have a dead spot, because what you're feeling right there is the torsion bar. That little bar twisting, that's what engages the piston going back and forth. When you have a dead spot where you don't feel anything right there, that's when it's starting to have play. So here we have an example of a gearbox that has play in it. So what you want to do is you want to go find center, right? And in center, you want to feel back and forth, and you kind of feel a lack of resistance there. And that's what play would be. And so what play actually is the ball bearings in the piston. They either need to be oversized or the shim is not right. And so we're actually going to show you what a gearbox is that a customer has adjusted themselves and has made it overly tight, where the gearbox is just going to eat itself. And right here, you can see the resistance is very, very high in center. And that is an overly tightened gearbox that a customer tried to adjust themselves. And if you adjust your gearbox yourself, it voids our warranty. So this has been bench testing for play at PSC Motorsports. And so we bench test everything before it gets shipped out of our doors and head into you. And so 2 things you want to learn: play. Most of the time, it's something in the steering column to the steering wheel. You want to check all your U-joints, all your rag joints, everything like that before you pull the gearbox and test for play, because 9 times out of 10, it's something in those. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our new products.